For quite some time now, rumors about Vijay Deverakonda and Rashmika Mandanna planning a wedding have been circulating online. While neither of them has confirmed or denied the buzz, speculation continues to grow, especially with fresh reports making new claims about their alleged big day. According to unverified reports, the couple might be planning to tie the knot in the last week of February in Udaipur. However, there has been no official announcement, and all details remain based on industry chatter and insider claims. Amid the ongoing rumors, new speculative reports suggest that a leading OTT platform may have approached the duo with a lucrative offer to acquire exclusive rights to their wedding video. The proposed deal was reportedly substantial, potentially making it one of the biggest wedding-related offers in recent times. However, these claims remain unconfirmed. There is further speculation that Vijay and Rashmika may have declined such an offer. Reports suggest they could be exercising caution, possibly keeping in mind the legal complications that surfaced during Nayanthara's wedding video controversy in the past. That said, neither actor has addressed these claims publicly. Some reports also suggest that Vijay Deverakonda may be keen on keeping the ceremony strictly private and may not want to commercialize the occasion. If the rumors are to be believed, the actor reportedly prefers an intimate celebration over a grand, public spectacle. Adding to the speculation, there are claims that Vijay and Rashmika may have gotten engaged privately in October 2025 in the presence of close family members. However, this too has not been officially confirmed by the couple. A recent report by Hindustan Times claimed that the wedding could take place on 26 February 2026 at a palace in Udaipur. Sources quoted in the report suggested that no celebrity guests might be invited and that the event could remain a close-knit affair. Rashmika and Vijay's wedding is planned at one of Udaipur's heritage palaces. Much like their engagement, the ceremony will be a close-knit affair with only their loved ones in attendance, the insider added. However, this information is based solely on unnamed sources. Meanwhile, fans recently noticed that Rashmika and Vijay shared pictures from similar locations in Rome around New Year, further fueling relationship rumors. Still, the two stars did not confirm vacationing together. At this point, all wedding-related updates remain speculative, with fans awaiting an official statement from the actors themselves.